call my mom and tell my mom that I've made it home. I'm in the home of the legend, and he's here to serve me. Look at that. He's cleaning the glass. Just give me more.
Okay.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Jeez, I have to sit there.
So just screw top. You have muscles.
Me.
Anybody else for malt?
Anybody else?
So over here, we say malt, they say Malta.
In Ghana we say Malta.
No, here
They
in
say
Jamaica,
what?
Malta.
Oh,
So we say malt.
we say malt. I hope it tastes like the malt we have in Ghana.
It's like the plantain. We say plantain, we say plantain.
We like the old people. You know what I mean?
So yo, I can't believe it, man. See, he asked me, when you're coming to my house, make sure your stomach is empty. I've been fasting since morning. I've been fasting since morning. We eating to celebrate the win of Black Stars.
They won? Woo!
We won! Hey, Black Stars! It's just since the 2 minutes. It's just since the 2 minutes. I won't jubilate until we are done. Yeah, but it is what it is, man.
You don't follow Black Star when you have your phone.
You know, one of the things that I always say is like, anytime Ghana is about to play, I'm like, I'm done. But as soon as Ghana start playing, I crack on. It's like we are in a bitter relationship with Black Stars, man. This is Jollof, man. Wow. Ghana and Jamaica. Oh, thanks. Oh, thank you. I'm trying to buy food. Here's a shuttle. I saw shuttle somewhere.
Oh, this is Sheto.
Yeah.
Oh, Sheto.
It's a Ghanaian one.
Thank you. This is so cool. Wow.
How did you burn?
Sheto.
I thought it just landed from Miami.
This video shows Wode Maya, who was invited by Asafa Powell. He is a Jamaican athlete who is married to a Ghanaian. So whilst Wode Maya was on his video shooting trip in the Caribbean, he is in the country of Jamaica as at now, and he was invited to have dinner with the family of Asafa Powell. And this was some of the scenes from the place. As Ghanaians, our shared responsibility of hosting our guests very well. Our hospitality is evident everywhere that you go. So Asafa Powell's wife invited them and then gave them a treat in their home. And I think this is a very nice thing to behold, that you go to a different country, then you meet your fellow kinsman in that country, and then you are being treated with hospitality and royalty. So this is what Wode Maya and his crew, his wife and his crew, were given, the treats that they were given in the house of this Jamaican athlete, Asafa Powell. So let's keep watching the video.
Yeah!
Oh, God.
Right now, we need to give you a Ghanaian passport.
I need it.
You need it.
I need it.
Your Excellency.
I need it.
We
Hopefully it's a diplomatic.
That is possible. You're a legend, man. See, I think I need to pause this video and let them know that he needs a diplomatic passport. I think Ghana government, they'll do that for you, man. They'll do that for you. Just because he gave you this food, you deserve a diplomatic passport.
Thank you very much for watching. Hospitality is a hallmark of every Ghanaian, and it is not surprising that the family of Asafa Powell have extended this hospitality to Wode Maya, his wife, and his entire crew. Thank you very much for watching. locate the subscribe button down there, click on the subscribe button, click as well on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.